Ayun, gumawa ako ng short film sa Mita AI. Okay, so ang kwento nito, tatlong magkakaibigan maglalaban ng race, ng karera ng sports car sa iba't ibang lugar. Okay, so panoorin niyo yung kwento mga idol. Okay, AI lang ito mga idol, no? So pinagalaw natin image, pinagalaw natin. Okay, let's go! Sana tuloy-tuloy sa panonood mga idol dahil nagtuturo din tayo paano gumawa nito.
But I never came here to sing what I'm really on, giving dividends. I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we've been on. You know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it glow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yeah? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I play the Xbox. Good gracious, I'm so grateful that made me say thank you, thank you, thank you. But I never came here to sing what I'm really on, giving dividends. I'm